That was a bit too close. There we go. Hi guys, how's it going? So we're right now on the way to Monte Brento exit, and yeah, gonna have my stash bag with me. So I'm gonna jump first, and after the jump I'm gonna run to my car, prepare my drone, and gonna film a friend, Steven, when he's flying with the wingsuit. So stay tuned, see you in a bit.
The monsters in my head are scared of love.
Have a good one, guys.
Absolutely, buddy.
And here we are.
Listen up. It's never too late to change your love. So
Checking the last time the wind conditions. 15, 6, 11. It's quite windy, but it's fine. It's fine. Alright, leg strap, chest strap. Oh, that's good. Oh, good one. 3, 2, 1. See ya.
it's a revolution.
Yeah! Perfect. Here we go, baby. Steven.
You're gonna want to.
Listen up.
Let's see.
It's never too late.
Yes, sir.
To change
All right.
your
I'm
love.
flying the drone after I see two canopies.
So let them steal your light.
Let's send it.
Let them break your stride. There is light on the other side, and you'll see all the raindrops falling. It's a revolution, and we'll make it out tonight. It's a revolution.
There we go.
It's a revolution.
Oh, it's a nice pace.
It's a revolution.
Flying the long left line. Here we go with a back flying. Whoop! That was a bit too close. Yeah! Oh yeah!